Today, we're going to talk about low maintenance living in Prescott, Arizona. And what we are going to cover is newer homes and lock and leave communities. If you want a home in Prescott without the yard work, this is the video for you to watch. What if your home in Prescott did not come with a weekend full of yard work and you could just lock the door and travel and go do whatever you wanted? Well, a huge number of people moving here right now, they don't want a project. They want the lifestyle. They want to look out and see the pines. They want to spend their weekends at the lakes. They want to go to the events downtown, and they don't want to spend Saturday mowing the lawn or tending to the garden. The good news is that Prescott has more low maintenance options than most people realize. In this video, I am going to cover newer homes built for easy living and why a smaller or a natural landscape yard can be the smartest move out here, and how the right homeowners association can hand you amenities that you just show up and enjoy. And stick around, because at the end, I'm going to tell you which type of community fits the lock and leave lifestyle the best. So first, let's go with something that you probably already know. Newer homes have far fewer headaches. Newer construction means a newer roof, new AC, heat, and new systems overall. The result is fewer surprise repairs and lower upkeep. I'm talking about communities where you'll find homes like in Talking Rock, Jasper, and Granite Dells Estates. They are building exactly this kind of home right now. Single level options, modern finishes, and a layout designed for exactly how people want to live now. The second thing to look for is smaller yards and natural landscaping. You don't need a big lawn and a ton of planted landscaping in the high desert. Smaller lots and native low water landscaping are perfect for this. We're talking about using granite, using drought tolerant plants, and natural rock. It looks beautiful here, and this type of landscaping basically takes care of itself. Less water, no mowing, less money, more time for you to go out and enjoy the lakes and the trails. And I can tell you, in some communities, the natural landscaping overall, all you have to do is go out and trim the trees every once in a while. It is almost no upkeep. So what I'm saying is newer homes mean fewer repairs, and a natural landscape yard, big or small, can drastically reduce your upkeep. The next point I want to mention is homeowners associations. And some people don't like them, but some of them deliver great amenities. I'm talking where you just show up. This is where HOAs earn their dues. The right community is going to give you a clubhouse, a pool, landscaping of the common areas, and sometimes even gated security. These are amenities you just show up and enjoy without the maintenance on your shoulders. And even if you like to entertain, you can do it at the clubhouse. It's perfect. Golf and gated communities really excel at this. I'm talking about communities like Talking Rock and Prescott Lakes, and even part of Granite Dells Estates. So look for communities with just the right amount of amenities, things that you'll use, and those that take the maintenance off your shoulders. I'll help you to read the HOA and understand the lifestyle there, so you know exactly what's covered before you buy. And this lifestyle is a perfect fit if you're downsizing, if you're retired, if you're a busy professional, or if this is going to be a second home and you really want to have the freedom to travel. If you want Prescott's lifestyle without the to-do list, this is the way you want to go. So to recap, focus on newer homes. Look for properties with low water yards, natural landscaping, and an HOA that does the work for you. That's the low maintenance formula in Prescott, Arizona, and of course in Prescott Valley as well. So which community fits the true lock and leave lifestyle that you want the best? Well, usually it's those gated and golf communities that I mentioned with full HOA managed amenities like Talking Rock and Prescott Lakes. But that is not always the case. The right fit always depends on you, and that's the conversation that I would love to have. I have toured all of the communities that I mentioned, and I can help you find the one that's the best fit for you. So if you want a home in Prescott without the upkeep, I'm here to be your guide. My contact information is in the link below. Please reach out when you're ready to go look at homes, or whenever you just have a question. I am here to help. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Odessa Kyleman, and this is the Prescott Homeowner. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.